$200 to $291. If you were thinking about getting into cloud computing, you need to download a copy of this and go over it. Just to give you the background, it's not that it's going to be on that exam. Here's what's going to be on that exam. What you're looking at right now.
The shower and back from the gym. He's on that for 2 hours before we head out for lunch. So I got showered and put on my face a little bit, okay? So I forgot that he had this class right after my gym class this morning at 10 a.m. So it's gonna probably prolong me taking these braids out, but I do plan on taking them out today. And I need to get with my stylist today too. And I need to call Layla's vet. It's so much because I need to schedule her teeth cleaning. They recommended that last time, so I need to get that done. I want her to be around for a very long time with no, medical issues, dental issues, anything. So total health for our baby. Just like we take care of ourselves, we have to take care of our pets too. I fixed me some coffee. My husband wanted some too while he was on his study session. But isn't this coffee mug the cutest? And it is so fitting for me. I love this. I forgot where I got it. You know what? I got it at Top Shelf. I just thought that. We were trying to figure out earlier where I got this cup. It was Top Shelf. I love this. I got this a couple of seasons ago, and this fall is my favorite season. So I am using my mug with my coffee. My husband, I made him some, and he just drinks his black, but I gotta have my creamer, honey. And I use I cannot think of it, but it's Hershey's. It's like Hershey's chocolate. So look, I done went to the gym and putting sugar right back in me, but it is the weekend in my defense, okay? This is some good coffee. Once he gets off and he gets showered, because we came right in and he jumped on that call, it's very interesting because they talk about the company that I work for, which is one of the major retailers, hint, hint. That's interesting. They were talking about the cloud. So that's something he said, come on in here and listen to this. I'm all thumbs when it comes to IT or anything tech, okay? So thankfully my husband's in it and he's studying for the cybersecurity license, so that's exciting. So once he gets off of this call, we're gonna go to our favorite spot, which is what? I'll wait. If you're new here, I talk about nukes all the time on my channel. And also, if you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for joining. I turned 50 in November. I'm excited. I feel the same, but I want to feel youthful. That's my goal. I don't want to have any of the ailments. I've gone for my physical. Everything's good. Mammogram, colonoscopy, all the things, okay? I like to cook and we love to travel. I like to work out. So we'll talk about a plethora of things, but let me know in the comment section what you'd like to know of me or what you would like to see of me. I will share some recipes like when I cook for my husband and I. You'll see just my day-to-day real life routine, okay? I'll do a Q&A session. That'll be fun for you to get to know me. And please drop any questions you'd like to know in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you. Honey, I love reality TV, anything. Okay, so I'm catching up on Married to Medicine. I have so much to catch up on. And this year, everything fell like in the fall season. Salt Lake City, Potomac, Atlanta hasn't come back yet, right? Beverly Hills, Married to Medicine. I love Southern Charm. Some people don't get into that, but I do. But anything Bravo, girl, I'm watching. Plus, my Carlos King, who I love. Love and Marriage, Huntsville, the DCs, honey, all love it. Okay, Bell Collective, it's probably my least favorite, but it's growing on me, let's just say that. But let me know if you're a reality TV junkie, and I guess I am one. I'm catching up on Married to Medicine for the 3rd time. Girl, I tried to catch up on it the other night before going to bed, and I fell asleep both times. So I'm either like, well, darn, it didn't keep my attention, or I'm just really tired. And I think I'm really tired because it's good. Right now they have, this is the current episode where they have that Beyonce impersonator. It's really good though. She looks just like her. She had me fooled. Catching up on that, drinking my coffee, and then we're gonna head to lunch soon. I am craving this chicken salad wrap at Nuke's. If y'all have not tried it, you have to. All right. Well, next time you see me, I don't know if I'm going to actually take down my braids on camera, because it's a lot. I need to wash this stuff, decondition. I won't be getting my hair done for at least, I'll probably say a couple of weeks, just to let it kind of breathe. We'll see. I need to call her. I need to text her now, as a matter of fact. Going to the gym, honestly, I love to have my hair braided because it makes it so much easier just to maintain your hair. I'm on camera a lot for meetings, and it's just so convenient to not to have to worry about your hair. My sisters out there, you'll understand. I know you can feel me. Really am truly thinking about, and I've been praying over it, I do want to experience the lock journey. I think those butterfly, the faux locks, will help me kind of see if it's for me and just get a feel for it, you know? So I think that's a good idea. I'm gonna do that, I believe. I ran that over by my husband and he's like, just whatever you wanna do. But I do miss my TWA, to be honest. So I'm gonna text her and see, and then go from there, get busy with this hair later, because we are going to church. No skipping tomorrow. So I need to have my hair, presentable. And I may end up cutting it. I think I'm really thinking about doing another big chop. So, because I want healthier hair. But we'll see, honey. And I will check back with you later.